What is up guys, Sportshot here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Krunker Battle Royale. But before we get into it, you guys should know that I'm doing a 10,000 KR giveaway, so you guys definitely want to enter into that. All you have to do is subscribe and then enter using the Google Forms link in the description down below. Anyway, let's get right into it. It is actually very easy to set up a Battle Royale game, although you do have to do it through custom servers. And basically how you do that is you just go to host game, and then you go to community map, and select that, and then you can go to search. Once you're here, you go and just search Royale for Battle Royale, and then here you can see Firefly Royale, Battle Royale, and then there are a few different Royale maps here. My favorite one is Firefly Royale. So if you look through here, you can see that everything is already set up for you. So you'll have like max players and stuff like that. But if you want to, what you can do is you can just edit these settings pretty easily. And so maybe I want to change minimum players up to like 6 or something. So if I want 6 to be able to actually start the game, then I can do that. And yeah, there's just a whole bunch of different settings here that you can do. And yeah, it's really up to you what you want to add to the game. Like if you want to give everybody a starter pistol, you can have it be like Deagler as the class. A whole bunch of stuff here. So yeah, you guys should definitely make a game. All you have to do here to make a game is just press start game, and the game is started. But yeah, you do have to wait for players on most Battle Royale maps, because you can't start a game with less than 2 people, because, well, that's not how the game would work. So yeah, it's very easy. I definitely recommend this map, Firefly Royale, and then another map which I think is like Skull Island Royale. I can find that right here. So if we just go back to community maps and then search, if I search Skull, I think Skull Island Royale, here we go, Skull Island, right here. It is a pretty good Battle Royale update, or Battle Royale map, I mean, that will make you buy guns with coins that you find around the map. Very interesting concept, and yeah, that's going to be about it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and enter into that 10,000 KR contest, or it's actually a giveaway. But yeah, thanks for watching.